Hi! In front of me is Honorbot X8, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down again. Click on Text and Display Size. And last but not least, operate this text size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out Preview on the left. When you're ready, just go back. As you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!